So, for students and parents out there, hello, I'm Mr. King, and welcome to Computer Science. And so you'll recognize me when you see me in person. So you may have noticed that the start of this school year is different than the start of any other school year you've had. We face a lot of challenges, but we're going to find a way through them. Computer science is all about taking big problems and breaking them down into small problems that are manageable that you can solve. And we're going to use that principle this year and practice problem solving while you learn about computer science. The first problem that we have to address, the biggest one, is communication. How are we going to communicate when we're not all have the teacher and all the students together face to face every day? It's a very real world problem. It's a problem a lot of you parents are probably facing in your work every day and have been for the past 6 months. So we're going to start with Schoology. That's our learning management system, and everything for this class will be on Schoology. And it's not actually a change. Before Schoology it was Moodle, but for the past 15 years, everything for computer science has been posted online. So all the assignments, all the notes, all the examples, libraries, videos, everything will be posted on Schoology. You're going to turn in your assignments on Schoology. You're going to get grades and feedback on your assignments on Schoology. The due dates for assignments will be posted on Schoology. I'm going to have updates, a weekly update on Schoology. Probably I'm going to try for Sundays, everything. It'll tell you what we're doing that week and anything that's due that week and any assignments that we start that week, when they will be due. We'll also have discussion forums. We're going to use Schoology as the hub for this class. Everything will rotate through Schoology, and if there's stuff there will be things that are not on Schoology, but there'll be a link on Schoology to those resources. I'm also going to have a Google group for the class, and parents and students, you're welcome to sign up. It's intended primarily for parents because students, you're going to get the updates, but you're welcome to sign up for it. I will be sending out a regular email this Sunday welcoming you, and that email is going to have a link to the Google group. I'm going to have a form for you to sign up and tell me what email you prefer for the Google group. I chose a Google group because it make it easier to find things. You can just go to groups.google.com and see all the alerts for the class and go through and look at each one of the updates pretty easily. And you can, if you decide you want to change email addresses, you can go into your Google profile, into Google Groups, and change your email address to move it to a different address. For students in the Remote Learning Academy, once we start hybrid, we're going to schedule some time for each of you outside of your normal synchronous time for one-on-one communication, or with small group communication. It might be emails or chats, but something where we can make sure that I'm going to just check in with you personally and make sure that you're doing okay and that we're addressing your questions. It's the kind of things that normally I'd be talking to students in class while you work, but since I can't do that face-to-face with you, we're going to make sure that this time, but I don't want it to be part of your the normal synchronous learning time. You're obviously welcome and expected to ask questions then, but I want some time for you to in a more relaxed setting. I know this year is going to be challenging, and at times it's going to be stressful. We're going to look out for each other. So we can all get through this safely and learn about computer science and hopefully have a little fun along the way. If you're ever feeling lost or feeling a little overwhelmed or stressed out or just a little nervous or confused, shoot me an email and we'll arrange time to help get you back on track. And parents, that goes for you too. If you're concerned, send me an email, get in touch, and we'll figure out things to get back on track. I'm looking forward to this school year, and hopefully we can take some of the challenges and learn something from them. So looking forward to seeing everybody online on Monday.